Hi Starseeds, welcome back to Irene, the Cocoa Queen. So I know a lot of you are having a lot of trouble cooking for your families. If you're in charge, and that means that you've been cooking every single day during this isolation period, and I know it can be very difficult. So today we're going to be making a one-pot dish. Now, this is an everything curry recipe, okay? In this curry, you're going to get a lot of nutrients like B vitamins from the chickpeas, you're gonna get vitamin A from the sweet potatoes, some penne, some fusilli, and it's just gonna be a party of flavors. So, before we get into the kitchen, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, because as you know, we are here every single week providing you with delicious plant-based recipes. So I just want to remind all of you Starseeds that every Wednesdays and Fridays, we are uploading recipe videos, and we just started live streaming on YouTube every Sundays. So Greg and I hope to see you on our live stream on Sunday. So let's get in the kitchen. To a large pot, we're going to be adding in 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Of course, you can use any kind of oil that you like, and we're just going to let that melt. So I've got 1 tablespoon of dried curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and we're just going to place that inside the oil. Just give it a mix around. We want the seeds and the curry leaves to cook inside the oil. And we want to hear that crackle and pop from the cumin seeds. So next we're adding in 1 large chopped onion. And here I've got a plate of glorious spices, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt, 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. So all this is going in there. So you just want to give this a good mix. And we are going to cook this for 7 to 10 minutes until the onions are translucent and cooked well. It's been 7 minutes and our onions are nice and translucent and cooked. So we're going in with some tomato paste. Actually, this is tomato sauce, and it's 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. I'm going to give that a stir. Oh yeah, smells amazing in here. So now we're going in with 300 grams of chopped taro. Taro is an amazing vegetable, and it's used a lot in Thailand actually. We're going in with 200 grams of sweet potatoes that have been chopped. You just want to mix this up so that all of this wonderful paste that we've made clings to the vegetables, just like that. And now we're going to add in 1.5 liters of water. So I've got 3 cups of chickpeas here. Now I've soaked these overnight, and also I've been sprouting them for about 2 days. Now you don't have to sprout yours, but look how cute it is. It's nice and sprouted. You don't have to sprout them. You can just soak them overnight. You should soak them overnight, otherwise this recipe won't work and it'll take way longer and you'll have to add in a lot more liquid. So make sure you soak your chickpeas for at least 10 hours in water. So we're going in with 3 cups. We're gonna cook this on high heat for about 20 minutes, and we're going to place the lid on, but on partially. So our curry is fiercely boiling, and everything is cooked right now except for the taro seems to be slightly undercooked. So right now what we're going to do is add in the pasta. So that's 100 grams of fusilli and 100 grams of penne. So we're adding that in. And we're just going to give it a stir. And right now what we're going to do is add in the coconut cream. So here I'm using coconut cream, rich and creamy for sauces by Bayona Organic. And this will ensure that your curry is rich and creamy Kerala style. So we're going to add this in. So far I just added in half, so that's 200 milliliters of the coconut cream. And now I'm just going to give it a mix. And I've decided I'm gonna add in the whole thing. So just add it in, 400 ml. So now that we've added in the coconut cream, I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and cover it with a lid for another 15 minutes or until the taros are cooked and the pastas are cooked. It's been 15 minutes and I'm just going to turn off the heat. Oh, look at that color. Oh, it looks amazing. Smells delicious too. And now I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt. Now's the time. You guys can add in, just give it a taste and see if it needs anything. I tasted mine and I think it just needs a little bit of salt. And I'm going to give it a little mix. And that's it. It's creamy. I love this color. It's just so delicious. And I'm going to plate it up now. Oh yeah. Now this is one hearty meal, guys. You're getting a lot of nutrients in here. A lot of spices in here too. Oh yeah, look at this. Vitamin A, vitamin B. So now I'm just gonna add in some chopped parsley. Of course, I usually add coriander, but I didn't have any on hand. So just like that. And that's it. Dinner is served. Okay, Starseed, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you make this recipe, I hope that you leave a comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it. This is a dish that I make often at home. I just find that it's really easy just to pack in a lot of ingredients in one pot and cook it up. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, I hope you do so. And if you loved this video, I hope you smash that like button and we will see you next time on Irene the Coco Queen.